Elements. The Earth provides all the elements that humans use. Asteroids crashed into the Earth, surely not a mere coincidence, and left and or leave behind a variety of elements. Sometimes it takes decades or centuries before humans understand exactly what a certain element is and or how to use the element. The table below is a list and a periodical detailing known elements that the Earth provides. The periodic table of elements. There are currently about 118, and this page also includes video links to several elements, while not all of them. You can press play on any of the elements below to hear about that element.